I caught a mouse, but I grabbed it by the tail. I feel so stupid. So I chased this pencil instead. It was pretty cool because pencils are cool. Look how cute I am. I'm like so cute. Even though I just put my ears back, it makes me look kind of weird. Oh no. Oh no. The stuffing attacks. Ah! Oh, it didn't hit me. No, it got me. Now I'm going to get this off. Like my tongue can't reach near my face. I'm not that flexible. Maybe if I just sit here, it will go away because, man, that's what humans do. I think there's a fungus on it. Okay, somebody needs to help me and just, like, get this stuffing off my face. Well, some of it fell off. At least I can see out of this eye again. Human, will you help me? Thank you so much. Thank you. Ow! I'm gonna eat this fungus. Fungus, so delicious. I'm gonna eat it all up. Because us cats eat everything. Ow! Ooh, I bit the human. This fungus is starting to hurt me. Hey, oh no! The fungus flew over there. But I'm too fat and lazy to get it. Bye! It should just crawl over here by itself. So I'm just gonna go.